I am about to do a turbo install, but I'm soaking everything in PV Blaster right now. So we're putting a Dominator 1.5 XT, I think, or X, whatever, I don't know. It's a ball bearing turbo. So I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. Right now I soaked everything in PV Blaster, so it'll be a lot easier for me tomorrow, and hopefully all the bolts will break loose. Somebody put a fucking Allen key on that bitch. What a fucking dumbass. But anyway, yeah, that's what's up. 04 STI, Blouch turbo tomorrow. Yes. That's the Blouch 1.5 XT, or whatever you call this bitch. But he bought it. Installing that tomorrow in a Grimspeed up pipe. This guy is fucking crazy. Yeah. Do some crazy shit tomorrow, bro. Let's do it. So what's up, guys? Today is the day we'll be installing this Blouch turbo on this 04 STI. It's happening. It's really happening. So first thing we gotta remove is this top mount intercooler with everything around it. Gotta go. And next thing would be the downpipe, and this shield, and the turbo, and the up pipe together, hopefully. That's the plan. Wish me luck, guys. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I just got the downpipe off. Turbo seems good. No shaft on it, no shaft plate. Looks good. The downpipe. Then I got this. All these fucking nice shit off. Alam magkano yan? 800 yan. 800. The intercooler. So I guess now up pipe and then this cover. So I just got the turbo off. The differences, not that big really, but this is supposed to hit 370 at the wheel. So let's see. Everything is so different. I get it. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but this old parent up pipe he has actually has a little bit of crack on it. So it's right there. And it was starting to leak in the back. You know what I mean? So it's a good thing we actually did this job. Sooner or later it would have just like gave out. So we're replacing it with Godspeed up pipe. I told him to get a flex one, because I think what's happening is the tension is what's cracking the pipes on the car. So I told him to get something that flexes at least in one area so it won't crack like that. Basically, once I start seeing the oil drip out from the drain like that, that means it's good. So basically I spin this, make sure it's lubricated. You know, you don't want to install the turbo dry inside and fuck up the turbo. So now it's ready to go in. What I do now is put the up pipe first. It's actually the most bullshit thing. Like, try to get out the fucking car. You're supposed to lift up the engine when you do this shit, but I did it the other way. Fuck that. I gotta go underneath and see what the fuck's happening. Yeah, man, look. Holy fuck. See what what I'm saying? Alright. So, finally got it on. And goddamn, was it like really tight, man. I'm telling you. Replaced the drain hose. All I know is really tough to fucking put in there, man. That shit was like... I had to remove the wastegate because it was just in the way. Like every time you try to put the turbo in, it would just hit everything. So, and look how close it is to everything. And then this line is the oil line. I had to fucking bend this bitch a little bit just for it to work. I mean, it kinked a little bit. Hopefully it'll still have oil run through it. Man, this is fucking horrible, man. I don't think I'll ever do one again. Fuck this shit. Anyway, it's that bad. I can't use any of the covers anymore because it's just no space. You can't even put the brackets, the factory brackets for the turbos. You can't even put them on. It's like no space in there, man. Look at it. It's like a fucking spaghetti in there. So, but at least it's done. So now Mark, all he has to do now is tune it, right?
Right, that's it.
Yeah. And this is basically mine's now. I'm gonna put it on my car. See, it's good. There's no shaft play. See if there's a crack on the wastegate. No crack on the wastegate, so wow, that's pretty fucking good. That's unusual for a BF39. Alright. Okay. So that was probably one of the worst installs I've ever experienced when it comes to Subarus. Trying to fit a bigger turbo in that area of the car, it's horrible. Like there's so many things in the way. Plus my friend's car had so many things already on it. Like he has an upgraded fuel rail and some other stuff that's just in the way too. So you really have to like start taking things apart piece by piece so you can make it fit. So I don't know how it is if you have just the normal stuff in your engine bay, because he has a bigger intercooler and that was a bitch to put in. Everything was just a little bit harder because he already has like a lot of different parts already installed in the car, so those things were in the way all the time. So I can't wait what the outcome will be. He actually drove it home tonight, you know, just to take it home, and then but he's not gonna ride it hard until he gets it tuned. So hopefully we actually hit at least 370 wheel horsepower, because that would put the car up there at 370, hoping to hit maybe 11 seconds quarter mile, and that'd be dope if he hits that number, you know. Let's see, man. Let's see what the outcome is. But he said that's his last mod for now, which is bullshit. That's not true. Because he always says that, and then a couple of months later, he's putting more expensive shit in there. And I'm telling you, once he hits that 370 wheel horsepower, after like 2 or 3 months, he's gonna get bored. And I already know what he's gonna do. He's gonna do an E85 tune. Watch. I already know that. So he's already thinking about it, and all he needs really is a fuel pump upgrade to the 300 damn, I forgot, Walboro, I think, so you can use E85 and the sensors and stuff and the tune again. and he'll probably hit way over 400 with that tune. So let's see. And then I get to put his turbo in my car, and hopefully I don't blow my transmission up, because that's probably what's gonna happen. So I gotta save up trying to put a 6-speed in my car. Yeah. So, and this guy is playing his PUBG retarded game. He's into that bullshit ass game. Anyway, peace, guys.